Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and in this video I'm going to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to enter our settings and now we have to scroll down and click on the wallpaper and style option right here. Now we have to click on the change wallpaper. And now here we have to choose wallpaper we want to change our lock screen to. We can choose from features, our gallery, graphical, colors and other wallpaper services. I'm gonna choose this one. If we want to set our wallpaper only on locked screen, we have to click on this button right here to turn off setting this wallpaper on our home screen. Now we have to click next and just click done here. And as you can see, that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!